Okay guys, now we're gonna be learning how to interface this board with a potentiometer. So that's my potentiometer. That's a 10k ohm potentiometer. So I need 3 wires. Okay, the middle pin of this potentiometer goes to pin A0, and one of the ends to pin to ground pin, and the other end to 5-volt input pin. Okay, like so. Okay, okay, let's see the sketch. So we go to File, Examples, Basics, and we pick Analog Read Serial. I go to Tools, Board, Arduino renesas boards. I pick Arduino R4 Minima. I go back to Tools, Port, so port is COM7. Now that's the sketch that is going to do the conversion from analog to digital. Okay, so guys, I'm going to upload the sketch now. Okay, great. Now if I go to serial monitor, we have to see. Okay, that's the we're gonna be print out a digital number from 0 to 1023. Okay, so so guys, we're gonna be printing a digital number that goes from 0 to 1023. Now if I turn the shaft, okay, we have here 0, the first digital number. If I turn the shaft, okay, is a little bit unstable, so we have 4, 6. Okay, we can increase 9, 10, okay, 11, so we can go up to 1023. Okay, that's the last digital number. Okay guys, so thank you so much, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.